Hello students, in our this video of HTML we will talk about the list and their types. In our last video we had discussed about the tables and their attributes. In this video let us see what is list, what is an ordered list, what is an unordered list and how to create them. A list, as we all know, is a set of items usually written one after the another. In HTML, we can create three types of list: ordered list, unordered list, definition list. Ordered list where with the help of numbers, which we all are using generally 1 2 3 in this way, but in unordered list we are using bullets. Let us see what is an unordered list. It is a list where items are not arranged in any particular order. In this type of list, we provide bullets to all the items. For example, see if the heading of the program is list of computer parts and we are having three different parts: hardware, software and computer memory. If we arrange this particular list contents with the help of bullets, it becomes an unordered list. Let us see how to create an unordered list. For creating an unordered list, we use two different tags, UL and LI. UL and LI both are the container tags. That means both of them must end with their end tags. See this program where I had used UL and LI along with its output. H1 list of computer parts, that is the heading. After that I am using UL tag. See, it is an container tag as we had discussed just now. Container tag, that means it is started here. Now I am closing our container in this place, but in between I am writing three different times li tag. Li tag, its full form is list index. It is generally used to list the contents. We had told just now that li is a container tag as like the ul, but we can write li tags in the form of empty tag also. That means it will work in both the forms. It will work with the end tag as well as without end tag. Okay, see, when we will execute this program, we will get the output like this: hardware, software and memory. These three we are having the bullets. These were called as the bullets, which were generally used in unordered list. Now let us talk about the attributes which we use in an unordered list. Unordered list is having only one attribute called as type. Okay, the type attribute specifies three patterns of bullets. Means we can use three different types of patterns with the help of type in unordered list. They are: number one is disk, number two is square, number three is circle. The default value of the type attribute is disk. That means if we will not use any type attribute with the particular unordered list, for example, see in this program The previous program which we had done just now, here I had not used any attribute with ul tag, but these bullets automatically comes. This one is disk shape. Okay, this indicates that it is having default value. Now its syntax is how to write it. That one is ul, then type equals to the value. Value means among these three, anyone. For example, ul type equals to square or disk or circle. Whatever you will give, it will be it will display as per the requirement. See, in this program, I had used all the three attributes of ul tag. Ul tag type disk, ul type square, ul type circle. And the output is something like this. This one is disk, this one is square, and this one is circle. What is the difference between circle and disk? It is an empty circle, means a circular box, circular cell, which is having not filled inside it, but disk is same figure with filled structure. Okay, rest will be same. Now let us proceed for ordered list. In an ordered list, all items are numbered one after another, as like list of computer parts, hardware, software, and memory. This tree is having the computer numbering 1, 2, and 3, and so on. We can create different types of ordered list, which we will discuss just now. Let us create an ordered list. While creating ordered list, the following tags were used. Number one is ordered list tag, means the OL tag. Number two is list item tag, that is LI tag. Same, in the previous one we are using UL and LI, and this one we will use OL and LI. Both of these tags were container tags, as like the previous one. Okay, see an example for this. Here, same syntax, AL in place of UL, I have written OL, LI, art, craft, music, games, OL closed, but as we had discussed, LI is performing like both container and empty. That's why here I had not written. We can write here. See, the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4 automatically comes in the output screen. I had not given any value, any attribute, minded. We will discuss it later on. I am not giving any value, but then after it is giving the output as 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let us see its attributes. It is having two attributes, namely type and start. The default value of the type and start attribute is 1. That means here I had not used any attribute, but 1, 2, 3, 4 it is automatically coming. This is the default value. Okay, same way we can create a line for OL with its attribute is OL type equals to value, then start equals to value. Now what to write here? OL type equals to 1, it is in number form, it is in Roman 1, small 1, it is capital, then next one is capital A, next one is capital small a. Okay, in this way we can write. Now in the last C, OL type equals to 1, start equals to 3. What it means? It will start from the A, means capital letter will be used, A, B, C, D, E, and starting value is 3. That means it will give the output from C. C onward, all the values one after the another. See its output. OL type equals to 1, then type equals to here Roman 1, type equals to Roman capital 1, type equals to small a capital A, type equals to A start 3. Value is same. When I am writing 1, it starts from 1 onward for the 3 items. When I am writing Roman small 1, again same content with Roman 1, 2, 3. Again, every time I am closing it and starting it, start, close. Here also, capital, Roman letter 1, 2, 3. Then small a, capital A. See here, C, D, E. In the previous one, I had written type equals to A. That means A, B, C only. But here I had written type equals to A, start equals to 3. That means from which place you want to start that particular type of letters. It is from third letter, that means A, B and C. That's why C onward, C, D and E. This is our OL tag with its attribute. Attribute, we are having two attributes with it. Number one is type and number two is start. Let us see about the nested list. A list enclosed with another list is called nested list. When we are creating a list within another list, that type of listing is called as nested list. We can create nested list in the following ways. Unordered list can be written inside ordered list. Unordered list can be written inside an unordered list. Ordered list can be written inside unordered list and ordered list inside an ordered list. So UL tag inside OL, UL inside another UL, OL inside another UL and OL inside OL. These four types of nested list we can create. Okay, see this one. The heading is plants as a source of food. Then its value OL type equals to 1. Now in this one I had used 3 times Li, Li, Li and Li. These three are for this OL tag whose starting type is 1, means it will give root 1, stems 2, leaves 3, as it is in the output also 1, 2 and 3. But in between all the roots, all the stems, all the leaves, two more two more contents were given with UL tag. See UL, LI, UL closed. I am closing OL only once, but UL is being closed 3 times. Opened and closed with carrot and radish for root. Again open and closed UL tag for potato and ginger. Again cabbage and spinach for the last one, leaves. Okay, same way I am getting 3 different categories. First one, inside this one unordered list, inside this again separate unordered list, and then separate unordered list. This type of listing where we had used different types of list is called as nested list. Okay, thank you for today. We will meet in our next video.